day 15 cycling and a big day ahead of us. We're just leaving the Lighthouse Boutique Motel, which was totally self-check-in, the whole lot. Haven't seen anyone, and just had a nice cup of coffee in the room and off. It's up 3 flights of stairs and no lift, so and this is the view from up here. There's Al getting things ready. And that's where we're going at the base of today. We're in Liechtenstein. Just leaving our accommodation, Landhaus Boutique Hotel. Cool. Yeah, and it's 48 kilometers. Yeah, very steep, they say, so I think there'll be a little bit of walking involved. Here's a panoramic view of where we stayed last night, or the surrounding areas. Lovely cattle, mountains in Liechtenstein, yes. We haven't come to it yet, it's about 10 kilometers away.
Main city, yeah.
Yeah, and so here we are, all around us. Bit sunny there. It's getting hot. We're up into the Alps. Beautiful little market garden just on the outskirts of a town. Absolutely beautiful. Going on and on and on. Oh, there's our polytunnels. There are frogs in a pond. It's a secondary school. And there's a big bee hotel, or insect hotel over there, and it's in the central courtyard. They really are trying to encourage insect life, bird life. Gee. Contented cattle.
Well, we just pulled into a lovely little village in Liechtenstein, and we're going to look for a patisserie, and we gazed up, both of us, and spotted this. Lovely big castle. It's in the side of the mountain. Unfortunately, I'm shooting into the sun here. I'll try and get a better shot of it shortly.
Okay, we just left our accommodation on a bike track, and we just came to this beautiful village and spotted that.
Across the road from us is this beautiful garden centre. I've never seen anything like it. So pretty. Look at the backdrop of the mountains. I gather that's the name of the village, Anne? A-U-H-O-F. Wharf.
Here we are, we've just come across this in the town square, I guess.
A rhinoceros.
A rhinoceros squashed.
At least it still has his horn anyway.
Look at that. And then up there is where we saw the castle. and we're going to see if we can get a better view. Liechtenstein, yeah. I have to read about it when I go back. I know it's one of the smallest countries, but it's obviously very much a tourist attraction because there's about 40 tourist buses down the track. Nice bit of snow in the distance, huh? Thank you. Not sure what that means. There's a lot coming.
We've just stopped for lunch. What a beautiful spot. This track is amazing.
It's beautiful. And it's no use this week.
And I think this is actually the Rhine River. I've been telling you that it was... Yes, I was telling you it was a different river of Switzerland, but it is the Rhine.
I'll tell you what it is. I sprechen die German. It's Gießen mit der Rhein verbundene
Well, I'm in two minds about putting the drone up. There looks like some military bunkers actually carved out of the stone up there. They probably had guns placed up there. I know that they do have a lot of bunkers in Switzerland for future protection, but I'm not certain. I'll have to research that one.
Lunch on the way to Kur. C-H-U-R.
Kur.
Yeah, we just got salads and Philly and a few bickies.
Who could wish for more?
And beer o'clock once we get there. Another hour. Yeah, beer o'clock when we're there. One beer, of course.
Well, Anne's leading me down the main track into a little village. It's beer o'clock and she's a girl with a thirst. Are you thirsty, Anne? Just one beer, she says. What a beautiful spot this is here, my gosh. This is such a dream track, this one. We're going on the road for a little while here, but they're all well behaved, the motorists, so far. All of the grapevines dotted along the foothills, the foot of the hills I should say. Wonderful. The name of this village is?
Well, here we are. We're now back in Switzerland, so we're having a lovely beer after coming up a very, very steep hill. So that's the latest one. Cheers.
Cheers everyone.